So just currently on a short hike. We'll go to the river, get the coffee, try out the tripod I bought, and kind of enjoy myself, mix it up a little bit. You know, I usually take some bike rides and things like that, but kind of like mixing it up. So what are you going to see in the future? So in the near future, what you guys are going to end up seeing is me going out to Camp Hook, better known as the TVT, which is the Twin Valley Trail. I'll end up doing the whole thing and through hiking it. We'll start it out in small sections. So we'll start out with 6.2 mile, then we'll go to 14, and then we'll go over and hit the whole 22 mile. And that involves camp outs and things like that. Also working on getting to River Gorge, probably in beginning or mid-April is what it's looking like. Lots of fun coming this way, so don't go anywhere, folks, and you'll see a lot of things this summer, a lot of fun things. And all this will be prepping me better for the return to Amicaloa Falls so I can finish that section. And that will be in next April. Lot to learn, lot to change, a lot of fun. And today, we're going to try some Georiga Fatwood and some coffee. So don't go anywhere. Grab your beer. Now's the time to grab your beer, your smokes, something, snacks, and sit down and enjoy, guys. Got some Georgia Fatwood we're going to try. There she goes, folks. First light. So I thought I'd skip adding all the little small stuff. You can see that the Georgia Fatwood worked great. Thanksgiving mic and stuff went right up. First couple of strikes, and got me a small cook fire going. Gonna do some coffee, and I'll bring you back once I got everything set up and water going. So as you guys can see now, tripod is set up. Pot's going, fire's going underneath, just a small cook fire, and bring you back when I'm ready to pour me some coffee. So thanks again, Mike, for the Fatwood. That stuff, man, worked like a charm. So as you guys can see, coffee is poured, ready to go. Just a quick over glance of what I kind of bought with me here. And this is just a nice little butt pack, kind of harness system going on, and bottle carrier. And wait till that burns down. Once that's burned down, we'll put her out, and we'll drink coffee and put that away. So this is Joe, Bushcraft Joe. Hope you guys enjoyed, and there you go, guys. Nice little day outing, man. Beautiful spring day. On my outing today, I came across this big giant fungus. Back her up so I can get you closer. Look at that. That thing is well over. These are really solid, hard to push. But you can see I got a medium-sized hand. This is just kind of the backside of it. Pretty good size. And of course, came across these as well. Always looking for things, guys. Always looking for things.